water loop for the building. Strainers. These are the condenser water loops for the building. Chilled water pipes. Ton, 100 horsepower motors. Just inspecting, make sure everything is good, no vibration, no noise, no busted seals, you know, preventive maintenance, you want to catch it before. Too much grease on this. Yo, you're making my camera look ugly, bro. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I'm working on. These are heat exchanger plates. You have a cooling tower water going in, and then just exchanges heat, basically. It's a heat exchanger plate. That's all it is. One side is cooling tower water, one side is closed condenser loop water. See, loop out.
Yeah. Harlem streets stay flooded in white powder, like those motherfuckers running away from the Twin Towers. Gunshots rock the earth like a meteor shower. Bowling for Columbine, fear giving the media power. Innocence devoured like a chicken spot snack box. Government cocaine cooked in the ghetto crack rock. Corrupt cops, false testimony at your arraignment. Check the check, constant struggle to make payments. Working your whole life wondering where the day went. The subway stays packed like a multicultural slave ship. It's rush hour, 2:30 to 8 non-stopping, and people coming home after corporate sharecropping and fuck flossing. Mothers are trying to feed children, but gentrification is kicking them out of they building. A generation of babies born without health care, families homeless, thrown the fuck off the welfare.